vessel to be used. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be. Here I stand. My heart is here to serve. Wherever love is leading me, I will go, I will go, I will go.
And so continuing in this stillness, in this beingness, in this standing, I simply speak the truth, knowing that life is the truth, grace is the truth, love and joy, and peace and prosperity are all around us, are in through us, are as us. For divinity is as close as our breath, in this and every moment. My breath, your breath, our breath. And so breathing in this stillness together, we simply know that God's got us. We are held in the hands of love. We are held in the hands of peace and grace. And simultaneously, we stand on our own as the perfect divine beings we are here to be. And breathing into that, breathing into the connection with all of life, the sun and the stars and the moon, the mountains and the oceans, the prairies and the trees, and every single form of life. We know that we are here to be. And so resting in this, letting that beingness guide into all of our lives, into all of our actions, I simply call it good and very good. And with deepest gratitude for all that is becoming, for all that is being and standing, I take the breath in and release it into the divinity that has already said yes. And taking that breath together one more time, we simply let it be. And together we say, and so it is.
All right, join me now. Here we go. Here I am, a vessel to be used. Whatever Spirit needs of me, I will be, I will be, I will be. Here I stand. My heart is here to serve. Wherever love is leading me, I will go, I will go, I will go. I will go